I'm gonna plug John Doe in. What?
Stay up here. We're gonna go to supper now.
Well, no, I can't stay up here. If do you want our house to burn down while we're gone with all the electricity going? You want the house to burn down with all the electricity going?
Well, you better turn it on.
Yeah, that's why I say don't stay up here. I don't know. You shouldn't say stay up here if all that stuff is going.
The house burns down, there will be another Halloween.
Nothing is... Whoa, it got quiet.